Hi everyone, I'm back again. I'm going to show you today how to create a Jamboard through Google Apps. So the first thing you're going to do is click here on this waffle. It's at the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you're going to get a drop down menu and you're just going to scroll down until you get to the Jamboard option. Once you find Jamboard, you're going to select it. It will then take you to a page that looks like this. I had made one before for my last video, so I'm going to make another one just to show you how to do it live. So you're going to click on this orange plus sign here. That will help you create your new Jamboard. As you can see here, it is untitled still. So we're going to give it a title. You can call it whatever you want. I just decided to call it Live Jamboard Tutorial. Then you're going to come here to the background option and click on it so you can select your background. I'm going to go with this blue here for today. Also here on the left hand side, there is a menu option. You get to select a pen, an eraser. Here you can, there's an arrow here that helps you select things. I haven't really used this one much, but one of my best favorite things that I use a lot is here the sticky note, um, adding an image icon through this icon here. You can add a circle, you can add a text box. So I'm going to select a sticky note and show you how it's done. So as you can see, you can pretty much put any message that you want on there. And once that's done, I get to just come here and manipulate it the way I want it. So I'm going to make it bigger. I can even rotate it if I want to using this arrow that you see right here. So you can rotate it any way you want. Here you have three little dots on the top right hand corner. If you select this, you get three options: edit, duplicate, delete. So you get to pick whatever you like to do to your sticky note by selecting these three dots here. Now I'm going to show you how to add an image. You can go here. As soon as I click on the icon, it brings me to this menu here. You can upload an image. You can pick one from the Google image search. You can select an image from the Google Drive or from your photos. I'm going to select one from the image search. I'm going to type Jamboard and I will see what comes up. As you can see, there's a ton of pictures here. I'm going to go with something that looks like this. Again, I have the option to manipulate my image as much as I want. So I'm going to, make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever you want. If you want to rotate it, again, you have that option. So it's pretty cool that you get to do those kind of things. The reason I like Jamboard is I use it with my students. We usually do our classroom do now on the Jamboard. So the kids, the students, they love it. It's a way for interacting with them, especially during these times of remote learning. They don't really get to see each other. They don't really get to talk to each other much. So through this Jamboard, they're communicating with each other. They get to, see each other's work. If you want to add another page to your Jamboard, all you have to do is click here and it creates another frame for you. So my students also love this feature where they get to add another page and just keep working, making it personal to their choices and their preferences. So again, here you get to choose a background that you like, and it doesn't have to be the same as the first one. And as you can see, you just keep going with your Jamboard. I usually tell my students to, on maybe on the sticky note, try to put their name on it, so I know who's doing which page. But you can use the Jamboard in that kind of a way with your students. And I hope that this video was helpful. I will see you on my next video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.